I think I know. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together.
This one is what?
Alright.
Not worried about that.
Okay. More. Check out more. Another one. The brown ones and the black ones.
Oh yeah, the brown is supposed to be right here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm making a rainbow of it.
Yeah. Put more.
And put the black right here.
Mm-hmm.
Then put the other one. So there's only one black and one brown.
Okay.
So that's gonna do up two purples.
Okay.
And then up here on the other side, I'm just gonna match it.
Okay. And put more brown. Remember, it's a
Yeah, match
it's a turkey. So he's doing a turkey with glitter in the middle and feathers at the end. So
Okay,
yeah,
now I should put this one
we're
right
decorating.
here.
He said he's gonna match.
Put this one.
And I don't know why he's still in his Halloween outfit. Like every day he put it on. I washed them yesterday and he's back in them today. So I don't know. And he ripped it. He ripped his arm. Anyways, so
I'm just gonna use some black. No, there's
so we're just making.
black.
And then when we finish doing this homework, because it's due tomorrow, we're gonna get his hair done. We're gonna trim
Tomorrow
him,
is
and then we're gonna take his hair down, and we're gonna wash it.
Wait, today?
Yeah. Mhm.
No, do it today.
Yes, we gotta.
No, do it tomorrow, Mommy.
Every day you tell me that. Your hair bin should be done from Saturday.
Yes, Mommy, just do it tomorrow.
Take your time. Not too much. Spread it out with the thing. Oh Lord, child. You gotta spread it out. Okay. Alright, and
Done.
then that's just too much. Put one more right here.
Okay, there's a little small one.
You can put more here. We need more here. It's coming out good. You have a lot of feathers. That's a lot of feathers that I buy. You can put them a few more. You gotta spread it like that, and then you're gonna put it on.
I want to put rainbow feathers because like when I got them out, they were like rainbow when I like stick them
together. Okay, do it. Let me see. Okay. So you just want to match the colors. That's what you want to do. All right. So get one more and get over here. You can get like a pinkish one or something. One of those. Yeah. And put it out.
And this one though.
Go ahead quickly.
Just to block it. I just want.
No, I said this color, bro.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can put this.
Done.
You're done? You just so want to use the sprinkles. Like, listen now. I'm going to guide you with that because...
No, I'm not done.
Wait. You can continue down. Good job. Alright, you can switch to the black now. Take your time and do it. I don't want it to spill on the floor. Take your time and open it. Okay, good. You see that? That's what I was talking about. Go ahead. I like it. It looks nice. Go up, up, up. Alright, done now. Done. Close it.
Sparkle.
Yeah. Close it. Close it.
Let me just do a little bit more. That's good. And then do the black.
And then black. Take your time. Take your time. You're only at one spot, bro. You have to go all over with it. Good job. Yay, that's a pretty leaf. Hey, yay, yay, yay.
Good.
That's good. Yeah, close it.
And then okay, and then the last
It's pretty.
one. The last.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch skimming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody.
Hello.
Okay, guys, so his hair is all pulled out. And we're about to wash it. You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Disney. I wish I
What
had
it up?
luck.
Them did already trim from yesterday. So today we're washing and combing. You know how long in here for wash and comb? And then keep on and tell me no tomorrow, no tomorrow, no tomorrow. But we had to do it today because it have, well, not really big, but tomorrow
Funnel dear.
tomorrow funnel day at school where they wear funnel, and I decided to look, you have to get your hair combed. Because tomorrow you're gonna be dressed up in your funnel and you wanna look decent at least with some fresh hairstyle. You always look clean going to school and everything, fresh and all that, but you know, the hairstyle you need to fresh up, and that's it. Right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll get that started out. I think boy trim man from bad. You want to fade in a little more, but I still catch it. I still catch fade. But so far it's good. I'm for trimming myself because the first time I go barber hair, they mess up him hair. The ear, the hair trim mess up and him earline mess up. And I'm like, you know what? Never again. For so much money, it don't make no sense. So I just buy a shear. I always buy a razor. And me do it myself from now. From then till now.
Mommy.
No, I make it go in your eye. You don't know that already.
No, I thought it was my aunt.
Oh. Okay.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We ain't had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
What's up? We got the last one.
What it do?
We got the last one, and then after that, we're gonna wash it out.
You open up the camera a lot.
I like the camera. I wish I could have my own camera.
Alright guys, so we finished with the conditioning the hair, and now we're about to wash it out. Why you have your face like that?
I know it's a happy face.
It is not. Alright, so there you go. Turn and show them. So we'll wash it out now. Come, hold on, and we'll wash it out. Come over.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We ain't had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one? Are you blaming on me and you the main one? Are you threatening me that I'm the main one? Just tryna be your everything, main one. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one? Are you blaming on me and you the main one? Are you
Alright guys, so I'm about to oil his roots and then braid it up. So what ear nice, you know, come in the camera. Stop playing around. Oh, it smells so good, fresh and nice. So we're ready.
Wait a minute, don't be emotional, but you done got my heart all in it. I just wanna be with you tonight. Like, please, don't say that it's true, but I changed the thing for you. I see what it's true, and I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's live up that I give. Oh, yeah, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just wanna chill. Let's live up that I give. I'll admit it. This just ain't no game. We should stay first instead of minute. You can see the thought that's in my head. Like, please, never say it's true, but I changed the thing for you. I see what it's true, and I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's live up that I give. Oh yeah, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just wanna see what it's true, and I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's live up that I give. Oh yeah, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just wanna chill. Let's live up that I give. I'll admit it. This just ain't no game. We should stay first instead of minute. You can see the thought that's in my head. Like, please, never say it's true, but I changed the thing for you. I see what it's true, and I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's live up that I give. Oh yeah.
I've been falling five on, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed.
Good morning, guys. How y'all doing? Don't mind my face. Okay, so I'm about to do a reset. I'm actually about to, as you can see, I wake up, do all that before I get out of bed, and then now I'm wash my face, brush my teeth, about to take a shower and just start my day with everything that I have to get done. I'ma clean, I'll get some packages, I'ma out my room a little bit, and then we're gonna head to preparing lunch because it's about lunchtime now, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so I'm about to get ready, put myself together and start my day. As I said, it's almost lunchtime, so I'm just gonna put on some clothes and prepare something for eat. It's Saturday and we're in. Don't think I'll be going on the road. I don't know, we'll see. So guys, yes, I'm back. So we finished make the rice and the wings. Let me show you. All right, guys, so I'm about to make some jiffy corn muffin. So I'm gonna use my milk and my egg because they said one egg, and I don't know all this going on coming on, no measurements, and I don't know if I quality people are if it is right. And them say 1/3 of a cup, and I don't know. I just pour out some in there, and that's it for me. Yes. So one egg. No, I need me. I'm gonna put some oil in there, come in like oil. I mix until everything. And then look at one's there. Now I wonder if it lump up because through the milk cold. I feel so, you know. I think it would have best if I get that something the way. I feel like it would have best if I get the thing where can mix it round good, but I already put butter in my pan and the oven preheats, so are mix. We are mix. We're mixing. We're mixing. We're mixing. We're mixing. We're mixing. No, some I like the fact that it have the lump them in it, but I just feel like I probably when I pour it out though, out of the box it come out lumpy. And I'm the first time I make this thing. I remember the last time I did it's lumpy too, but when you bake it, you know, see lumpy in it. Oh, it stir ingredients into a bowl. The ingredients together batter will be slightly lumpy. Fill muffin cups. Bake 13 to 17 minutes or until golden brown. Okay, so it's gonna look lumpy. From long as you know, you whatever. So I'm okay. Alright, so we're gonna pour it out now, people. Pour it out. So it said it's gonna look lumpy. So we're not worried about that. Alright. I don't know, I have two of them. I buy one the other day. I did have one, I'm gonna buy one next one. I'm gonna just decide. So you know what? I'm gonna bake this. So my child right there. No. I don't want to now look on my bumper. No, that's enough style. Could I put it in a big oven, but I'm not have time for that right now, so I'm gonna put it in that oven here. I'm gonna air fry it and bake it. Bakey. So yeah, I'm gonna put that in. So the oven is at 17 minutes and 370 degrees. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just wash out my bowl that I just used, because me always I wash out things when I done cook. So anyways, as I'm saying, I finished cook the wings and the white rice. Like a Chinese style thing, you know. Like a barbecue with wings with some white rice. I love that. When I go to Chinese restaurant, I buy that. When I know what I buy, you can't go wrong with local wings and white rice. So that's what I did. And when I last week or week before last, I do it as well. One thing I always do wings. I love wings. I'm always gonna barbecue it. My child do like the barbecue. I never remember saying I put it on everything, and I did. But he will eat it. He might. So now I'm gonna just share the food. He eat and go and wait on this little muffin, this corn muffin to finish. When the 17 minutes finish, probably I'm put it for 5 more minutes, and then I just take it out, make it cool. I always wash my plate them with my hand and put it in the dishwasher. And then drain out, me take them out. And that is that. So now I'ma just share my dinner. Share dinner. Steam some rice. Steam up rice, cause tomorrow, you know, tomorrow is Sunday. I'm not sure what I cook tomorrow, but I want to cook something nice. If you follow me, I cook rice and peas and fricassee chicken every Sunday. If you follow me, rice and peas, fricassee chicken every Sunday. So I try to find place where I can find Jamaican what you name the food for buy like the mutton, the oxtail and all these things. I'm still trying to find it. So but as soon as I find it, I will buy it. You know, I don't want so much rice. I don't want so much rice right now. And I know on the belly I get too big. You know, want nobody feel like, you know? So we are cool down on the rice at night time. We're cooling down on the rice. I know if I try to say no. You know, I hate the fact that the washer is in the kitchen. The washer and the dryer is in the kitchen. But we are working until time sale. Until time sale. We're not going on the wings here with the barbecue, you know. Oh yeah. Pops, here. Here, rice. You love rice?
Thank you.
Are we here on your own? Water house, badness, where them I say? Are we here? Ooh, look at that, 17 minutes, you know? And it brown. No, so I'm gonna eat that with some ice cream. And that's the way to go to end the night, okay? You know why? Because I eat off the whole of the ice cream. I left back a little bit. I'm gonna tell him, say, look, you see that little bit here? It's going to be minus one something of ice cream Sonny eat off. Look there. Look there. I'm gonna eat none. None me not eat. You're not getting any. I go eat my ice cream tonight. I creep out everything out of the box because I know nothing in there. Nothing is in there. See there? It done. Done right this so. Still hot enough, people, but I want it right now. This is me. See that? Me. Yeah. Guys, I'm in bed. Because right now, I feel like I want to sleep again. This tastes so good. So good. I'm here watching one of my favorite YouTubers. You see my ice cream? And my little muffin. Pick y'all up back if I need to tonight. If not, tomorrow. Morning! It's Sunday morning. As you can see, I'm here listening some gospel. So good morning, guys. I'm about to do like a little reset. So I'm about to wash my sheets, you know, put on my stuff for my room, fix up and just do a little, and then we venture off to cooking dinner. Still don't decide what I'm cooking for dinner as yet, but yeah, I'm gonna have y'all with me today, show y'all what's going on. I'm gonna do a little fixing up with a good amount of stuff because they come. That's them right there. Been come, but I just couldn't bother and work and back and forth and just tired and can't bother to do it in other weeks. So now we are doing it today Sunday, which makes sense because, you know. So I'm gonna start from the living room, then bathroom, then living room, sorry. Start from the bedroom, bathroom, living room and kitchen. Do what may I do and take it along with me. I also want to mount that TV, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do it by myself or I'm going to get help. But I'm going to attempt. If it not work out, we'll leave it alone. If it work, we'll work with it. Me, TV, mount, I don't know. But this TV, it's supposed to go in the living room. There's another TV that's supposed to come. Still away on Black Friday for buy it. Well, the sale are going, but I'm not see it yet. If I'm not see it for the price I want it for, I'm gonna just buy it same way. I don't know. But for now, we are working this in the room because we mostly spend time in the room than the living room for now. So far, I'm about to put up those mirrors, put up the stuff them that I package when I get, and wash my sheets, you know, white sheets for now with the quilt. So that way I work with, we're gonna wash it for wash, do it for do, and take y'all along with me. That's child. He's in the living room playing on his iPad. So anyways, I'm gonna set y'all down. Watch what's gonna happen.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent on you day one. We ain't had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. They grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent on you day one. We ain't had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. They grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody
Alright, so we'll start with the mirror first. We're gonna put up the mirrors. Let me take out this.
Stop, wait a minute. Don't give up for you to put my heart all in it. I just wanna be with you tonight. Like me, yeah, it's true. But I changed the thing for you. I see what it do, and I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's do what I give. Oh, yes, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just wanna feel. Let's do what I give. I'll admit it. This just ain't no game.
One. I'm gonna take the measurements now. Yeah. One higher than one. To me. I don't know. Oh, sure, look higher. In the camera, this look higher, but to me, this look higher. I don't know. I'm probably this one want to go over a little bit more. Oh my god. Or they're okay. They look okay. But this want to go over a little more. This one. But alright, let me see if we can fix it. Let me see.
Stop, wait a minute. Don't give up for you to put my heart all in it. I just wanna be with you tonight. Like me, yeah, it's true. But I changed the thing for you. I see what it do, and I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's do what I give. Oh, yes, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just wanna feel. Let's do what I give. I'll admit it. This just ain't no game. We can stay first. Never admit it. You can see the thought that's in my head. Like me, yeah, it's true. But I changed the thing for you. I see what it do, and I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's do what I give. Oh, yes, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just want.
But that don't look lovely. Look at that Sal. Look here. We're done. And oh wait, look, you look level. It just a little bit higher. Just a look. Oops. Can't bother. This is not for me.
Stop, wait a minute. Don't give up for you to put my heart all in it. I just wanna be with you tonight. Like me, yeah, it's true. But I changed the thing for you. I see what it do, and I'm for real. This is how I feel.
So
I'm in need of
almost
love.
finished my
Let's do what I give. Oh, yes, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just wanna feel. Let's do what I give. I'll admit it. This just ain't no game. We can stay first. Never admit it. You can see the thought that's in my head. Like me, yeah, it's true. But I changed the thing for you. I see what it do, and I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's do what I give. Oh, yes, it's my time.
finally. I'm tired. People, I'm tired. Alright, look, it don't look too bad. I like it so far. Yeah. I don't usually do this, but oh my god, can I sing to you? Hey guys, so it's couple of days after. So I didn't get to finish the video on Sunday. My phone died and a whole lot. So I just end up, put it for charge and continue without videoing, and I didn't get to do it at all. So I decided that I have to get the video post. So I need to at least do this sometime in the week, and so that I can finish up and post the video. So that's me spreading out the bed, doing what I did on the Sunday that wasn't recorded. I did that Wednesday when I come home from work. After I finished doing all of that, I just went to cook. I didn't show that either because, as I said, the video being supposed to end. But you reach this far. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Almost finished. I'm about, oh my god, the eczema on my face. Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me stop this. The eczema on my face. Oh, child. It's terrible. But yeah, my closet's been set up and everything. That been put together. But as you can see, the room finished. Wanted you guys to see that. Sunday, my phone battery died. Put it for charge. End up start cook and do what me for do. Carry along with my day. And I was like, today Wednesday. After work and everything, me here. Somebody decided to, alright then, you know what? Let me spread the bed and finish up the vlog because I need to finish the vlog. So yeah, this is it. Still haven't mounted the TV because I have stuff where I need to put on top of the dresser. Want to mount the TV over.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah, it was magic.